What's happening? Yeah, Safety Liner C2 here. I am very excited for this unboxing. I've said it once, I'll say it again. There are some models, such as the ICBE, the first gen Yellow Roof CE, mainly because of NOAA, amongst others that are getting harder and harder to find online to buy for your collection. This is one of those models that is getting harder and harder to find. And this is going to be my very first interaction with this model. Well, I've seen one in person before, but this will be my first model of this. And I'm very, very excited. Obviously, by the title, you already know what it is. So let's go ahead and unbox it real quick. Open it up and take a look at it. This is always such an awkward angle to cut stuff open at, because I have this tripod right in front of me. There we go. Alright. Alright, so sure there's no receipt in here or anything. Alright, paper, and here we go. This is what we're taking a look at right here. Alright, so excited. There it is. Oh my gosh. This is a Dinky Wayne school bus. So, let's see. Made in England. Dinky Super Toys. Alright, so a little bit about this model. This is actually based off of a Wayne RE from the 1960s. This is when this toy was manufactured. Now, if you go on eBay and you look up Dinky school bus, some of these are going for hundreds of dollars in this good of condition. Now, the only thing about this is this piece of glass right here is broken, and it's somewhere back in there. I just saw it a second ago. There it is right there. So, now, I paid, let's say I got this for a steal. This, the amount that I paid for it, usually they're in terrible, terrible condition. I was sitting at my brother's school picking them up, and Noah sent me this link, and I took a look at the pictures and immediately knew that I wanted it for the price. Now, obviously, there's a couple scratches on here, around here, up here, and like I said, this glass chipped up front. But again, this is expected for the age of the toy. This is, or the model rather. This is made in the 1960s. It's, you know, it's old. So it's a gorgeous, gorgeous model, like I said. And if you're able to find one in a condition like this with minimal scratches for a really cheap price, then you're set to go. As you can see, there are seats all throughout. Let's see. There are seats all throughout the bus in the red signature color from Wayne. You can see it's pretty highly detailed. And I love this Wayne logo up front. This was a classic Wayne logo. Like I said, this is based off of a real bus. This is based off of a 1960s Wayne RE. Which shortly went out of production after this was made. So, again, beautiful, beautiful model. Let me do a quick size comparison for you. I have the HDX right here. Lengthwise, you can see they're about the same. They're about the same height-wise as well. And then they're about the same weight-wise. So if you have the HDX, that's kind of a rough, you know what I'm saying. So, obviously they have red rims, black tires, all the tires spin on here. Made in England. Again, this is one of those models that that's really getting hard to find. So I'm definitely not going to do anything with this. This is just going to sit on display or something. And I'd like to see if I can figure out how to get this glass piece back in here. I don't know how I would do that, but I can figure that out at some other point. Wow. I'm just kind of struck by this because this is a model that I've wanted for years and years, and now I finally have it because it's a great model, just beautiful. So, like I said, if this is if you can find one of these in good condition, for a cheap price, definitely pick it up. If you go on eBay right now and you see mint ones, some of them have the box with no scratches on it. Those things go up to $400, $500, $600, and even some that are $50 barely have any paint on it, or are missing this whole windshield, or there's a tire missing. Those will go for a lot of money just because it's a Dinky. So, if you don't have one of these, definitely be on the lookout for them. They're a great model, and the lighting is kind of. Let me see if I can turn my lighting off and see if this will change anything. This orange color that you're seeing back here is a more accurate representation of what the bus actually is, instead of this school bus yellow that you're seeing on the screen right now. So it's definitely more of an orange than a yellow, but I mean, other than that, gosh, it's a beautiful, beautiful model, and I am so excited to have one of these now. So, alright, I think I've just been repeating myself for most of this video, so I'm going to go ahead and cut it off here. If you have any questions, let me know down below, and I'll try and answer them. So, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe right down here. It's magical red button that says you are now subscribed to Safety Liner C2. Make sure you comment up here, down here, over here, or over here. I don't know where they put it, down and care where they put it. Make sure you also give this video a thumbs up, or you're never going to own a Dinky. And make sure you also share this video with friends. Show it to your mom, show it to your dad, show it to a guy on a random street. I don't care, don't get raped. So yeah, guys, that is pretty much it. And thanks for watching.